So what do I recommend you invest in right now? I get this question pretty much at least once a week. Jason, you're known for your stocks, your stock investing, you manage portfolios, but you say not to necessarily invest in the general overall stock market right now. What should I invest in? Here's what I tell most people. This goes from students up to people that I've talked to in their 30s, 40s, and 50s. For retirement people, this advice is a little bit different. But what I recommend for anybody is to invest in yourself. What do I mean by that? I'm super cheap. I never buy anything unless it's for my personal education or like to take my kids on a vacation, take the wife and kids to vacation or to go eat food. I'm an experienced guy. I don't buy stuff. When I buy stuff, it's like books. It's literally like books. That's all I buy myself. What else I invest in is my education, learning valuable skills, improving my knowledge, mindset, outlook, all that stuff. That's what I invest my time in and my money into, is investing in myself and my team and growing our knowledge, our capabilities, so that I'm more prepared when the stock market crashes to take advantage, to make money, to protect the wealth of the portfolios I manage, so that I'm prepared to do that. That's what I recommend you do as well. So how do I recommend you do that? And I think 2 Facebook Lives ago, I said there were 4 skills. There are 5 that I recommend people learning. Speaking, writing, marketing, sales. Those are the 4 I mentioned in that video. There's also a 5th. Learning financial literacy and investing. If you have these 5 skills, not only can you make money with the first 4 skills, but then you can multiply it with the 5th skill and keep your money, with the goal being to get out of and stay out of poverty, and to grow your wealth. Whatever your goals is. If you're in poverty, to get out of and stay out of poverty. If you already have a little bit of money, to grow that and multiply that for your grandkids, your kids, your legacy, whatever you're building it for. The 5th skill, again, the 4th skill I can't really teach on, although I probably could. I don't have courses or anything like that. For that, I've learned a lot of that stuff myself, or been taught through various other courses that I've taken or been given access to. For the 5th skill, I can help you with. We've recently relaunched our masterclass, our value investing masterclass, where you can learn anything and everything you need to know to find value and evaluate stocks, to find great stocks like I do. Fast. How fast? These processes that you'll learn in this course help me evaluate 3,943 stocks in 40 days in 73 countries in only 40 days. Turning over rocks, Warren Buffett has the saying, the more rocks you turn over, the more likely you are to find great investments, because you spend so much time going through crappy investments. You know what a great investment looks like when you see it. I think he says it should smack you in the face or something like that, is what he says. When you see a great stock, it should smack you in the face. I think him or Charlie Munger say something like that. How do you do that, though? I've been doing this for 15 years. I've built this process up over 15 years, and I teach you this process in the Value Investing Masterclass. Why should you listen to anything I have to say about investing or finance or whatever? For those of you that may not know who I am. In the first 9 years of my career, I produced average annual investment returns of 23.5% per year in the portfolios I manage. This puts me just behind the great Warren Buffett in the first 9 years of his career at the Buffett Limited Partnership, where he produced 24.2% returns per year. He's greatly known as the best investor ever, right? And that puts me just behind him. And my numbers legitimately make me one of the best stockbrokers in the entire world over the last 9 years. I'm not saying that to brag. Frankly, it makes me a little queasy to say that because I don't like talking about myself like that. But I feel like I have to prove to you that I actually know what I'm talking about a little bit. I'd love to help you learn these same skills as well. So again, so you can get out of poverty, protect your wealth, and then protect your wealth from the next crash, and then also grow it as well. To find out more about our masterclass, go to the links below. There will be a link in the comments section on, I think, Facebook. No, on Facebook, we're having issues. So on Facebook, if you want more information about the masterclass, say yes or I'm in, and I'll DM you the link, or I'll send it to your email after I get your email. And if you're watching on YouTube, maybe you're watching this replay, maybe you're watching one of the other videos, I'll put the link in the comments on so you can go get more information about the masterclass. But and we'd love to have you in there. We just recently relaunched. We'd love to have you in there.